Welcome to Hawking Galaxy. In this video, I'm going to cover series combination of inductors. So, let I have connected the n number of coils, n number of inductors, n number of inductors, each of different, each of EMF E1, E2, E3, and so on up to En. So, uh, this is same as like the resistance as we calculate the combination of resistance. The same formula applied in this inductor also. So as we know, in the series combination, resistance in the case of resistance in the series combination, the current the current remains same, and the potential difference which remains different. Potential difference remains different. So in this inductor also, the same thing applied. The current would be same in the each inductors, and potential difference would be different in each of the inductors. So let the potential EMF, that is potential difference, let be E, and for this coil let this E1, for this E2 coil let this be E2, and for this coil, for n number of coil, let this be En. Okay, so now E be the total EMF applied. Now we have to find out the total EMF applied. Okay, n number of coils. Now E be the total EMF. Now we are finding the total EMF. Okay, so now what is the formula? That is potential difference is E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus En. Okay, this is what is the potential difference, as we are saying it, EMF. So what is this EMF? As we all know, according to Faraday's law, it is equals to minus L delta I over T. Here also minus L1 delta I over T minus L2 delta I over T, so on up to minus Ln delta I over T. So let's cut out this. What we have formed, that L is L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus Ln. So this is the formula in the series when we are connecting n number of inductors in series. So this is basically the formula of the net EMF applied. Net EMF. Okay, it is same like as when we are connecting n number of resistance, and we are calculating what is the net resistance in the coil, what is the net resistance in the circuit. So it is basically it is nothing but L is L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus Ln, that is L is inductor. Okay, L is inductor. So this is, so now now let us study about the parallel combination of inductor. So let me draw an n number of inductors. So these are n number of inductors which are connected in parallel. Okay, L1, L2, L3 and so on up to Ln. Now it is connected to a circuit. This positive and negative terminal is connected to a positive and negative terminal. Okay, so current start flowing. Now in the parallel combination, we knows that potential remains same and current changes. So here it would be current changes, so I1 current will be flow in this L1 inductor, and I2 current will flow in the L2 inductor, I3 current will flow in the L3 inductor, and so on up to IN current flow in the Ln inductor. Okay, as current changes and potential remains same. So now we are finding the total current, that is I is I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus and so on up to IN. As we know that current is dividing, so we have taken the current now. Now I, what is I? Current. Now let this current be the small current, let delta I. Now change of current, so that delta I1 plus delta I2, we can write it as like this. Okay, now divided by T, both side divided by T. Actually I am doing this because what we are getting it, think about it, what are we going to get it from this? You know about it, minus L delta I over T. What is this delta over T? E upon L. This delta over T would be E by L minus K E by L. So that's why we are doing this. Minus E by L minus E by L1 minus E by L2, so on up to minus E by L3 Ln. Okay, now this sign cancels, this becomes E by L1 E by L2, so on up to E by Ln. So this would become 1 upon L is 1 upon L1 plus 1 upon L2, so on up to 1 upon Ln. So this is basically the net inductance when the inductors are connected in parallel. Okay, and in the series combination, when the inductors are connected in series, then the net inductance would be L is L1 plus L2 plus L3 and so on up to Ln, where N be the number of inductors. And in this, in the when the inductors are connected in parallel, then the net inductance, that is the net inductance, would be 1 upon L1 plus 1 upon L2 plus 1 upon L3, so on up to 1 upon Ln. So this is what is series and parallel combination of inductors. Now I am going to tell you about when the inductors are connected in when the inductors are connected in the same direction, when the current in the inductors are connected in same direction, then what would be the effective combination of inductance? Okay, what is the effective combination of inductance? Are you getting my point? Let me tell you. Now in this, the current and the combination are in same direction in both the inductors. The current is in same direction in both the inductors L1 and L2. The current is in same direction, that is this right side, towards the right side. So if we have asked to find out the effective inductance in the circuit, what we would do? So there is basically a formula. You can write it as, okay, equivalent inductance of the combination. Equivalent inductance of the combination. What would it be? So it is nothing but L equivalent is equals to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Okay, and you can also write it as L1 plus M, L2 plus M, because in some books it is written like this. Okay, so what is this M? This is the mutual inductance between the coil. Okay, so this is basically a small tricky. This can be a small tricky. Now there is a second case also in which the coils are just reversed, so that the current flowing through that is also are in opposite direction. Okay, so let me make it. Now it is clearly seen in the figure that the current in both the inductors are in opposite direction. Because actually I have reversed the polarity, so now it is showing that current are in opposite direction. Okay, and so now we have to find the net equivalent inductance of the combination. What would it be? It is nothing but L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Okay, in this the mutual inductance is subtracted from L1 plus L2. Okay, so this is what is the case. Is sometimes the question asked in your boards, not in your boards, but in the competitive exam, definitely this would going to ask. So this is a very important topic. Hope you like my video, and those who are watching, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.